Now this is your spacious living area where you can do this side is your spacious kitchen area. And this is the spacious room of your house. Here's the bed area. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Neon by Modern Spaces, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project and this is the marketing office of our project. And the main entrance will be coming up right over that side. And the land parcel starts from here itself. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project, and the project is spread across 4.19 acre of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 13 and 14 floors, offering you 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project offers you modern luxurious amenities like a 15,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, tennis court, new mart and many more. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on Chikka Tirupati Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding of our project, and this is the main entrance of our project and here's the Chikka Tirupati Road. So this road on the left hand side will connect you towards Sarjapur and the opposite side road will take you towards Chikka Tirupati. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Shri Ram Public School in just 3.5 kilometers, 4.1 kilometers away from D-Mart and 5.4 kilometers away from Spandana Hospital. Now let's head towards your 3 BHK model flat of 1740 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of our house. So once we step inside, here's the digital door lock which comes up for your security purpose, and for your privacy this is your foyer area, and the flooring is the marble finishing flooring. Now this is your spacious living area where you can do your own interior, like this beautiful interior work is done for your reference with the sofa set over here, and this side is the TV unit space. Now just beside your living area, you will be getting your separate dining area, and this is a spacious dining area where you can easily set your 6-seater of dining table. With the easy access is the kitchen area right over this side. But before that, let's step inside your balcony. So once you step inside the balcony, this is not just a balcony but a room size balcony which comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing as well, and this balcony will give you 2-side open view. Now once you step inside your room over here, this side is your spacious kitchen area. And the kitchen area, again you can have a look with a beautiful interior with the cabinets, the platform and the utility area which is enclosed over here. So this side is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Provision for your machine will be provided, and even provision for your sink area which is right over this side. Now about this area, so you can add up the stove over here because they will be providing you with the gas provision right over here. Now moving further towards your bedroom area. So your bedroom number 1 is on my right hand side. So once you step inside, the interior speaks for itself, and this is the kids' bedroom. Again, you can have a look with the spacious room size, the bed which is in the center of the room over here. This side you can add up your couches or as a kids' play area as well. Opposite to it is the window. For ventilation and lighting purpose, there you can set your study table as well. About the wardrobe space which is over this side, so here's the wardrobe area. And this room comes up with a private washroom as well. So here's the private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your next bedroom, and your other bedroom is on the other side of the house. So once you step inside over here, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom, and this bedroom is with a bed space right over here. So here's the bed space in the center of the room, and there is ample of space to move around inside the room. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and additionally the AC duct is provided outside over there, which is protected with the grill as well. About the wardrobe, so this side is the wardrobe space, and even you can add up your dressing area. Now once you step outside this room, the common washroom is very easily accessible. Here's the common washroom in the center of the house with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. The shower area is divided via tile drop. Now the master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on housey.com. Now about the master bedroom, and your master bedroom is exactly beside your bedroom number 2. So once you enter, again the flooring. This is the marble finishing flooring over here, and this is the spacious room of your house. Here's the bed area right in the center of the room, and the best part is the bay window, my favorite part. The bay window will be provided with the iron railing, and here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Even for cross ventilation, they have provided here with the cross window. The wardrobe, which is just beside over this side, you can even add up the dressing area, and here's the TV unit space. Now about the washroom, yes, the master bedroom also comes up with a private washroom right over this side. Again with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, the shower area, which is divided via tile drop. Now, as you all know, we are here at Modern Spaces project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.